Dumpster rental service in Portsmouth, Virginia. Looking for reliable dumpster rental services in Portsmouth, Virginia? Junk Crushers LLC offers affordable and convenient dumpster rentals tailored to your needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out a garage, or managing a construction project, we provide dumpsters in a variety of sizes to handle any job. At Junk Crushers LLC, we understand the importance of timely and efficient waste disposal. Our team ensures quick delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. We offer same-day or next-day service, depending on availability, so you don't have to wait around for your dumpster. We offer dumpsters in several sizes, to accommodate all types of projects. No matter how big or small your project is, Junk Crushers LLC has a dumpster that fits your needs. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, giving you peace of mind when planning your project. Serving Portsmouth, Virginia, and surrounding areas, Junk Crushers LLC is committed to providing excellent customer service. Call us today at 757-305-7504 to schedule your rental and let us help make your waste disposal easy and hassle-free.